Alright, how are you doing? Welcome to the video. Today I'll be talking about the Java 3 Spring 21 Java project, which consists of a dentist and customer objects. So I'll be going over it today in this video. The patient has a couple of tasks that they need to be able to do, including logging in, viewing and changing their info, viewing the next appointment, and adding their new appointment based on whether or not they already have an appointment pending. And the dentist should be able to log in, change their info, and view their upcoming appointments. Seems pretty simple, so let's get into it. Starting off, we'll go with the patient login, just because it has more meat. And while I'm going through it, I'll be showing you the live database results. Oh, just gonna wait for NetBeans to boot up. Alright, here we go. So patients, with the patients, I'll be going over a customer that, or a patient that has a pending appointment, one that doesn't, and then we'll be booking one together. So the first one I want to look at is one that does. So I'll go with A905. Password I believe is 111. And obviously we get signed in, and when we get signed in, we're able to look at the bookings. And obviously, since 905 already has a booking, you're not able to book at all. But you do have your appointment back here that you're able to edit. Now, I made it so that you get these cool little drop downs to allow you to change data. It gives you data to choose from. You can change a procedure, or you can cancel. So the first thing we'll be doing is editing. So let's go ahead and edit. As you can see, 905 is May 1st, 2018. So if we wish to change that day to today at around, I don't know, 8 p.m., although that's kind of unrealistic, we can do that. And we want to change the dentist to somebody else. Let's say Cassidy, last name. And procedure, gonna go with something different, just because right now it's at top denture, so we'll go with cleaning exam and edit. And as you can see, the changes that we made have now stuck. We chose today at 8:25, and it's now been stored. So if we renew or refresh the database, as you can see, it's been updated with the correct procedure code and the correct dentist ID. I believe 222 is in fact Cassidy, yeah, and cleaning slash exam is in fact 114. So if we look at the database, that information is still correct. Also, what we can do at this point in time is cancel the appointment, then that'll remove it completely from the database. So yeah, here we go, and the appointment is now gone. If we refresh the database, 905 is nowhere to be found, which allows us now to book a new appointment. Let's say the 11th. Go with X-rays this time, and we'll go with Patterson. And when we book it, yeah, it gets added if we check the database. There it is. So now we can log out or edit our profile. for 905, we can change the email from Faith to, I don't know, 905. From Faith to something else. We'll go with Adams and hit update. And if we refresh the database, it will pop up, and it even says here your update successful. (905), there it is, Adams. Alright, everything is great. Now let's switch over to one that already, or one that didn't. No, I think we covered everything. I think we covered everything in that run, unless there's something I missed. Now we canceled, we added, yeah, we did all that. Let's go to a dentist login now. Log in using the dentist. Completely different overlook. You can view all the customers' appointments, as you can see, even including the ones that we just added a second ago. And we can change the we can update his profile. Unfortunately, this showed up preemptively. It was only supposed to show up after an update is actually successful. I guess that's a little bug. But let's say we want to change Martin's email. What is Martin's email? F Martin. So let's change it to just FM and hit update. Now the update is truly successful. And if we refresh the database, we should see only FM. So there you go. That's my dentist office system, ready and complete. And thank you for watching.